I want to wow you how to make a bass bounce effect in Premiere Pro. Go to your project area, right-click, select New Item, then Adjustment Layer, and hit OK on the screen that comes up. And then drag the layer above your video on the timeline. Starting at the beginning of the video, select your adjustment layer, move over 3 frames by pushing the right arrow key, and then cutting the frame with the razor tool. Now delete the excess adjustment layer. Now go over to your effects panel, select Video Effects, then Distort, and then Transform, and drag it onto the remaining adjustment layer. Now highlight that layer and go over to the effects controls and modify the scale under Transform to 105. You can also easily make duplicates of this layer by holding the Alt key and clicking and dragging the layer away from itself. Now it's as simple as moving this new bounce effect to where the bass drops are in your video.
Everything is ready. Let's see the result.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.